Na kebentar ke khubor baman kesni page bat subscribe ya u Antor News.
Particularly kapit mau ini berhidai, berkeistam, berminat, Pynthorumkhrah yang kisah kipong berai mencari
PAP baro kini longi khubor bam takasni. Ka Skul St. Joseph High Secondary School Pynthorumkhrah galapun kutno ya ka Jubilee bahnru phautli ki snem ya ka bala pelong mena ka khatlai turik unai lor arhajar arpsau ha phlau jang ka skul. Ha ka jingpen kut ya ka Jubilee jang ka skul u Abu Tahir Mondal Menteri Katanat Pinmi boarding ka Sarkar Jilla. Ulalong ukongsan ban penhap perda ha ka jingyadan lang ka principal ka sister Madonna Litem ki ba kenthop yu secretary ka school managing committee u Father Lawrence Nongse u ba Dominic Saukmi u president ba Frederick Lingkhoy ba kinong hikay kumju kikmi kikpa jong ki khynnah school u eti mondal menteri kum ukongsan ban penhap perda ula ajingero ya ka school managing committee ka bala pentelun ya ka school sha umau mer ban rupau teli ki snem. Kamlong ka basuk ban kan mau ki ding pingkyang jing snem bala letno la dapet ya kadur kadar jong ka ying school baningkong da ka ying tram mintapat da ka ying mau ka bapaka pinsngo u eti mondal kani baro ka di ka jing trai shitom kilong shwa bar bayo I jingai ki nong seng na kalyang ka principal jong ka school ka sister Madonna Litem ka pinsngo ba ka khana summary ya ka school bar ki kam jong ka school bat ki khynnah. Katba ki khynnah school pan kilapan paulang ke jingkmen ke bakrawi ke ni ke school kabla ai jing hikai ke bapaka shu ki khynnah school ke St. Joseph kilayo ban pen I bat ai program sa akin mauling ba ke jingrai u Sim Pyllieng babun rong ha ki hinru phautli ki snem.
One, two, three.
Put your hands together.
I am privileged to welcome you to the closing ceremony of a Diamond Jubilee celebration. Our theme, Dream to Build a Bright Future, resonates with our commitment to serving young people. I extend a warm welcome.
Along the fathers, because in my initial years also, I had the opportunity to study 2 years the pre-university in San Antonio's College, and the 2 years that I spent in the Stephen Hall molded my life in a very big way and different way. I remember Father MC George, who was the warden that time, who sometimes acted like an enemy, the next moment he is a real father. He is a friend who took us and played with football. Even in my constituency also, I am having a missionary school, Saint Assisi. And I am a frequent visitor to that school. All the fathers that are posted quality of education, especially in rural areas. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to be here. And I find myself belittled to talk much in front of a distinguished gathering that I may be off the record and off the track also. Nevertheless, education is an integral part of our society, and we have seen that now education is controlled by the corporate houses. In 1 year's tuition fee that has been charged some renowned schools in the country is not that we parents spend for our children from KG till they graduate. I don't want to spell out the amount, but if you see, you can find this everywhere, and that is where the missionaries are putting emphasis to see that the most downtrodden of this society, our children who are the victim of missed opportunities, are given the right path to grow themselves in a respectful way to their life in the society, and at the same time become the example for others to emulate on that line. I have the opportunity to visit many schools in the country and universities abroad. But then the way we provide our efforts, the efforts for the children is unmatched and we cannot compare. The dedication that our teachers are putting to see that our children excel in their life is unmatchable. Today we are commemorating the 60th years of this school. 6 long decades. Today we have a beautiful house and it became a unique photograph for the school to be boast of. But if you just see the backside or back cover of the magazine which has been just released, you see a photo of 1964. A very dilapidated house from where the school started its journey. It's a long journey, and 60 years means, if though there was no batches in the SSLC level, which we were telling that time HSLC level, but then many schools have passed their SSLC examination from this and now established in their life. This dedication is unmatchable. The 60 long years that took, the fathers, the sisters, their hard works, today we salute all of them.
Once again, we congratulate the management, the students, the teachers for the contributions they have made in building up the future of the society, the future of the citizens of this country, of this society. And we in all are part of this journey where we encourage, where we support, where we build up together for a progressive society. Once again, thank you for being here, your share in contributing to the well-being of our society. May God bless us all. Thank you.